Alright, yeah, graphing these exponential functions on MyLab is a little bit different. So we're going to click on the graph here, and we want this shape. This is the exponential tool. And we just click anywhere on the graph. Most of these things you're going to be able to ignore. The one you need is this -1 right here. This is your vertical shift. This is dropping the graph down by 1. So if I plug in 0, for example, 2 to the 0 would be 1, 0 minus 0, or 2 to the 0 would be 1, 1 minus 1 would be 0. So that's going to take this graph. Exponential graphs typically have a y-intercept of 0, 1. With this -1 is going to drop it down 1. So if it were a -2, it would drop it down 2. If it were a +3, it would move it up 3. So we're going to come down here, and we're going to shift this down 1, like so. And then the other thing we need to do is change the base. So the base here is the number 2, not the number e. So I do the number 2 there. And then check. This is fantastic. The domain. The domain means the x values, and as you can see, we can use negative x values, we can use positive x values. This graph goes forever. So our domain is going to be all real numbers, and we write that as -infinity to infinity. The range is the y values. Now notice this has an asymptote here at -1. It gets really, really close to -1, but never quite touches it. And then it goes up forever. So our range is going to go from -1 to infinity. What is the horizontal asymptote? I already mentioned that. That's y equals -1. And that's it. Okay, hope that helps. Yeah, that graphing is a little bizarre. Let me know if that doesn't work out for you, and we'll see what else we can do.